nice pants.
It's up to you if you want to get muddy, but I doubt it. Oh,
no, I definitely don't want to get muddy today.
Take it easy through here. Bottom these things out. This ends right at the water up here.
Oh, this is cool.
Filled in more than it was.
Oh god, oh god. Oh god, oh god, oh.
I'm gonna see if we can go more down here, because I've never been down this way. Ah! Wow. Whoa. I think this is all usually filled in with water. Wow, cool.
Dude, can we chug down to the water?
Yeah, I'm at the water right now.
Oh, cool. Like, what about over here where it's rushing?
Dude, somebody built a fire pit down here. Cool, man. Oh, this is sand. It's hard to get through.
I do want to get a picture with this thing right here.
Yeah? Okay. Oh, great.
Oh, sorry. Oh, my bad, dude.
You're good.
I'm sorry.
No, you're good. You're digging a hole.
Come on, bitch, go! God damn! This thing is not moving, bro. I'm just digging holes.
I know, this is soft somehow.
Oh, I'm gonna snap one picture with my bike right here.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Oh, now I need to figure out how to do the timer. Timer. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh god! Dude, I ran into a tree, bro.
Oh my god.
People don't get mad about this?
I don't know. This whole area used to be a huge mud pit, and I got my truck stuck right there. Had to get winched out. Whew. Oh.
Okay. I slipped a little bit. Little bitski.
Oh. All right. Good?
Yep.
It's up to you. Did you want to go that way?
Yeah, I'll go that way. I'll meet you over there.
Oh, I was going to say don't be a cop, because I don't know if it's illegal to go back there.
What are you talking about? It says it right there. That vehicles might be on the trails.
Oh, word?
Yeah, that sign back there says, warning to pedestrians, vehicles may be on trails.
That's awesome.
What's this say right here? Rules.
Mountain biking?
Don't ride. It doesn't say anything about motor vehicles.
Yeah.
Sweet. Don't disturb the wildlife.
Oh, so these things are barely considered motor vehicles.
I know.
You can get lost in here. This place is actually, like, huge.
This is the #1 reason I have hobbies, dude.
Yeah, dude, I love this kind of riding, man. Oh, look at this. No balls.
That's not too bad.
Oh.
Oh, oh, dude, I got an arrow! Oh, don't go too fast this way. I think we can go down here.
Oh, yeah.
I think I hit my exhaust a little bit right there.
Woo! Woo! Squirrely ball! Oh, yeah!
I'm not sure this is a trail anymore, bro. Oh, yeah. I guess it kind of is.
Well. Oh, we can go around it. Down below. Is there another side? Yeah, there's more over there.
Maybe I'll squeeze right there, no?
Yeah. Yeah, in between those trees right there.
Right here?
Oh, right there.
What do you mean, down that way?
Yeah, I was
Does that
gonna
help?
go at the end of it.
Oh, God.
Oh, God. This is awesome.
Oh, God.
Yeah, dude.
Woo! Yeah, bro. Did you see me rip off that?
Yeah.
I don't know about getting back, though.
Come on, girl. Yeah, there we go.
I don't see... I don't see much more of a trail, bro. I say we turn back and get back on like a normal trail.
All right.
We did that one little sketchy part right there, though, so how the f are we getting back? Dude, that was, I can't believe I made it up that f***ing thing.
Dude, you were ripping it, man. It was awesome.
I was just f***ing going for it.
In it to win it.
Dude, we running it out so crazy right here. Oh, God. Dude, these are not made for this. Oh, God!
Yeah, dude!
Boy! Yeah, boy!
That was awesome.
Get it! Let's see this. And get out of the way.
This is crazy. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do it.
Oh, God! Oh, God! Oh, God! There you go! Oh, bro! Bro! Here, hold on. Get out of here. All right, you got it. You gotta gun it. You need to pick up speed. Bro, start further back from right all the way to the edge there. And gun it up. You gotta like send it like you're trying to jump it. And then just cut it right. It's the only way. You gotta get pace. Get pace. Too slow. You want me to do it?
Nah. I'm going to get this bitch.
You don't have as much meat on your knobbies, too.
Yeah.
Gun it, bro. Are you in first?
Yeah.
No, you're digging. Here, let me try it. Unless you want to keep going. Here, try this way. Oh, no. Maybe like this, bro?
I want to try to start back a little bit.
Try like this. John?
Okay.
Just back up between those two trees and gun it and get speed. You need speed. When you hit it right back here, you should be going. Gun it. You got it.
Hell yeah.
Woo!
Yeah, bro.
Oh boy. This is that sauce. Oh God! Yeah! Bro, I almost ate it right there. I'm so glad I got that, bro. Dude, I almost ate it. No! Go!
Wow, that is some soupy.
Oh boy.
I had some mud caked in there. It's hard to get traction.
Alright.
Yeah, he'll climb that bitch.
Woo! Yeah, boy.
Oh, dude, get some speed.
Yeah, girl! Woo! Yeah, girl! Yeah, Grommy! Animal! Yes!
Bro.
Dude, this Grom! I can't believe it! I can't believe this Grom is killing it like this back here.
Oh, you really?
How do we get around this first time? Did we not come this way?
No, this is new.
We can lift him up and over. You want to do that? Here, hold on. Don't do that. You're gonna hit your exhaust. We'll lift it up and over. We will carry it over. Ready? No. 1, 2, 3. Jesus Christ. Ready? Yep. 1, 2, 3. Bueno. Got it. Yeah, girl. Hey, this thing. Grom.
Woo! Knobbies are so clutch, dude.
I know it.
There's no way. No way.
At all. Any of what we just did.
They just like grip and go. Yeah,
that was fun.
There's so much back there. You could literally spend all day, man.
We'll have to do that, like a full ground day off-roading.
Yeah.
Pulling around. I'll wear like boots.
Yeah.
Like stuff where we not worried about getting wet and all.
Yeah.
I can't believe this thing could. It's so impressive because that's the first time I'd be able to use these knobbies going up something like that when you really needed them.
Yeah,
like, there's
dude.
no way else to do it.
No way, bro. Oh yeah. Yeah, dude. That's my school, my high school. Doing woolies on school property.
I'm super impressed with how this thing does off-road for what it is, man.
I know, man. Especially for just 12-inch tires.
Yeah. I mean, it's a different type of riding, right? You can't, like, just balls to the wall.
Yeah.
You gotta look at every little rock and pothole. But anybody that owns a motorcycle that loves riding should also own a Grom, I think.
I agree.
I can't fathom the idea that any motorcycle rider in general, you let them get on this thing, I can't imagine them not liking it. You know, 'cause it's obviously it's not a powerful motorcycle, right? It's you like two wheels in motorcycles. This thing is so fun. You live in a small town or like want to make runs to the store, and I literally get on this thing to smoke a cigarette and drink a coffee in the morning, and I putt around drinking a coffee in my neighborhood now.
Oh man, good time. Glad you came up, man.
Yeah, man. Likewise.
Nice meme.